Vont 2-pack LED camping lantern. Super bright portable survival lanterns. Must have during hurricane, emergency, storms, outages. Original collapsible camping lights lamp. Inkle. Batteries. Super bright and long-lasting. Equipped with 30 crazy bright LEDs, this compact lantern cuts through 360 degrees of darkness on the stormiest, dimmest nights. Easily lights up the entire tent or room. Battery life lasts over 30 hours, that is twice longer than our competitors and inferior copies. Compact and lightweight, unique, patented collapsible design that reduces and increases the light as you collapse or expand the lantern. When collapsed, it's as small as your phone. Easily fits in your backpack or emergency kit. Our lanterns are a lifesaver in unpredictable situations like hurricanes or a zombie apocalypse. Waterproof and indestructible, constructed with aircraft-grade materials, your lantern is able to survive a 10-foot drop, being temporarily submerged underwater, and even caffeinated toddlers. Our lantern is the original patented version and has better materials than inferior copies on the market. Makes a perfect gift for anybody. We all have a friend or a family member that loves going camping or just loves cool gadgets, right? When you gift them our amazing LED lantern, they are going to be blown away by its functionality, compactness, and brightness that they will be thanking you for days. Lifetime warranty. You'll feel pleasantly surprised at the brightness, quality, durability, longevity, and performance, or we will refund your money, no questions asked. Lifetime warranty and support provided by Vont. C-Rose certified. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.